But in the statement that you right now said, you spoke a line that struck me, which was that I realized that I hadn't figured out what I was doing. And so right now I'm in my college first year, and a lot of
Okay.
people,
Really?
yeah, yeah, I am, yeah.
Wow. I thought you'd be like graduated and all.
No,
Cool,
so
man.
yeah. A lot of people my age, they feel that just because I've taken up X degree, and just because I know for a fact that this X degree would pay me 10x revenue, that's why I have my life
Hmm.
figured out. That, like, just because I have entered into this field of study, that means that, okay, I'll
Abhi
leave this,
set है.
yeah, I'll leave
Yeah.
this
So
pipeline,
true.
I'll get a lot of money and all. Uh,
Okay.
in saying that, I have heard about this anecdote, and you tell me if it's true or not. It
हाँ.
says that जब हम छोटे थे, when we were very small, riding a two
हम्म,
wheeler actually intimidated us. That, we would do
हाँ.
anything you say just to get that keys to a two wheeler, and we
Yeah.
would go to ride,
Yeah.
like any work, दूध लाना है, अंडे लाने हैं, give us whatever you want, we would take the onus,
Yeah.
just so that we get to
Okay.
ride that two wheeler. Cut to 5 years, now we have two wheelers to our names. Okay,
Yeah.
like we can, just ride it off whenever we want. We can go for night rides and all. Now riding that two wheeler is a task to us. Now if someone says that get vegetables from the market, it's a literal task. Like, I would be ready to give my keys to someone to take that scooter and, just ride off and bring the vegetables. I've heard that the
Yeah.
same thing applies to corporate, wherein when we are in college, we feel that, okay, we'll get a job, we'll get a money, and, I'll buy
हाँ.
I'll buy an iPhone from my first salary's EMI, and so all these things happen.
Yeah.
4 years into it, we are like, dude, I want to get rid of this as soon as possible. Like, the thing which had happened from cycle to scooter, that same thing happens when we enter from college to corporate. So, like, how far is this
Yeah.
true?
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब इस एनेक्डोट से ऐसे लगता है कि कॉर्पोरेट जॉब कोई खिलौने जैसा है कि एक बार बच्चे को मिल जाए तो वो उससे तंग आ जाता है.
Yeah,
ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of people really connect to the jobs that they are in
yeah,
and do a great job. Like जो भी हम services use करते हैं, कुछ भी मतलब from electricity to your gadgets to everything is run by organizations
yeah,
and people working over there.
yeah,
So some people really love their job, but I feel like uh, a lot of young people these days, right? Like we have access to so much information
yeah,
that the rate at which we are sort of, you can say,
yeah,
evolving in terms of connecting with what we love doing, connecting with our purpose. वो चीज बहुत जल्दी हो रही है हमारे साथ.
okay,
So ऐसा होता है कि you get into a job, okay, and sometimes, and that job is supposed to teach you something. Like
yeah,
you learn good organizational skills, how to work with teams, you learn how to turn your thoughts into an actual project.
yeah,
ये सब चीजें आपको एक प्लेग्राउंड मिल जाता है
yeah.
जहाँ असली, जैसे मोनोपोली खेलते हैं ना.
Hmm, hmm,
सो
hmm, hmm.
अ जॉब इज लाइक रियल मोनोपोली, लाइक
Hmm.
असली में यू आर पेइंग पीपल, यू आर डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
Yeah,
But after a point, you know, there is something that you are essentially supposed to do. I
okay,
believe that. Like I feel like people have certain skills and certain purpose that is uniquely theirs.
okay,
So अगर वो चीज आपको अपने जॉब में नहीं मिल रही है, that's when you will start feeling that disengagement, you
okay,
know. And with today's younger generation, that's happening even more and more. Like we are so disengaged at our jobs because all our lives we were told that if you get this degree and if you get this package and if you get this job, तो life set है.
yeah,
पर वहां पहुंचने के बाद भी लाइफ सेट नहीं लगती है.
hmm,
You reach there, it's like अच्छा बस यही था.
hmm.
This doesn't seem so exciting.
Expectations versus
um,
reality.
Expectation versus reality, yeah.
Yeah,
um, and I'm also seeing that more and more, people want, like as we grow older, पहले तो एक वो एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि कुछ करके दिखाना है, कुछ बहुत
hmm,
पैसा कमाना है, गाड़ी खरीदनी है, ये खरीदना है. तो एक बार आपके जब सब डिजायर्स हो जाते हैं ना, उसके
hmm.
बाद आप सोचते हो कि how can I have better health,
Yeah.
you know, how can I eat better, how can I have better relationships
Yeah.
with people I love, with my family.
Yeah.
um, how can I inspire people with the life I'm leading?
Yeah.
So these things don't really get addressed so much in the modern jobs,
Yeah.
right? इंस्टेड ऑफ मतलब हम जॉब पे जाते हैं कुछ सीखने के लिए,
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट मेरा ये थिंकिंग है, लोग पैसे कमाने जाते हैं, पर आप कोई चीज में जाओ तो आप उससे कुछ, आप भी तो बेनिफिट करोगे ना, आप भी कुछ सीखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
सो लोग कुछ सीखने जाते हैं, पर वो जॉब आपको एकदम यूज कर करके इट जस्ट ड्रेन्स यू आउट कंप्लीटली,
Yeah.
यू नो.
Yeah.
यू जस्ट you're left with nothing. That's why some jobs are described like soul sucking jobs, right?
Yeah.
कि
Exactly.
एकदम
Exactly.
आपको ड्रेन कर देते हैं. तो वैसे
Yeah.
क्यों होता है? क्योंकि यू नो द थिंग दैट यू आर सपोज टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट, वो चीज वहां पे नहीं है, वो बस आपको यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Instead of that, you know, I think we should try to find an organization whose purpose we connect to.
Yeah. True.
That's very important. Like with Viacom, I thought I connected to the entertainment purpose,
Yeah.
right? But the way they were entertaining, I didn't connect to that. So I was
Got it.
disengaged.
Yeah.
Yeah. वैसे दूसरे लोग, with other people, other things happen. So
Yeah.
if you find if like a lot of people find startups, you know, where the founder has very similar thinking to that person,
Yeah.
कि okay, create a better world by doing ABC activity.
Yeah.
And if you connect to that, then I feel like you would be a better match to that workplace. You wouldn't feel disengaged over there.